Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reverse camera for your car, your van, or even your camper van, but you don't want to pay crazy fees to have one wired in, or even go through the hassle yourself of wiring a reverse camera for your car, then I've been sent the perfect product. Because AUTO-VOX have sent me their Solo One Pro. What means no messy wiring, because this is solar powered, battery operated, quick 3-minute install, and you will have your reverse camera in place. So let's give this the 11 out of 10 test. Let's unbox it, install it, and real world test. Cue the intro. So let's start with the great unboxing, and as soon as you open the box you will see this nice 18-month warranty for peace of mind. The user manual and installation guide is well printed and easy to follow. Next you'll find your reverse camera display. This feels really good quality and super lightweight in your hand. Digging deeper inside the box, you will find this solar reverse camera. This feels really premium quality with the installation plate already installed. Plus this 3M sticky pad for easy installation. It comes with a generous long power cable that will plug straight in to your cigarette lighter. It comes with a windscreen suction mount for your display. Also it comes with a nice long USB-C for charging your camera. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. Now just give your Solo camera a quick charge before use. Now it's time for installation. They say it takes 3 minutes, but I'm going to do it within 45 seconds. Simply take your Solo camera, slide it into place behind your number plate. You can use the sticky pad if you want to secure it. Now take your windscreen mount, line up your holes to your display. With a nice click, it will firmly be in place. Remove the protective film on your suction plate. Put it onto your windscreen with a firm push, pulling the small lever underneath to make it airtight. Remove the protective cover off of the display. Next, just simply connect your power cables. Your Solo One Pro will now power up. It will tell you that it's not got a connection to your camera. Simply just turn on the power on the rear camera and it will automatically connect, and that is installation complete. That now brings us on to the real world test. You can instantly see how bright and clear the display is. Reversing into this space with these grids either side of the camera makes it super easy. It's quite a big BMW X3 that I'm driving, so having the reverse camera on makes such a difference. Look how perfect I've got into the space using the reverse camera. Now the camera on the back can be adjusted in a swivel up and down way. It's really easy, so you can make sure that you've got it in the perfect position. The other thing that I really like is knowing that even as I'm parked up now, the Solo panels are charging the battery in the back, so I never have to worry about it going flat. In this second example, I'm reversing my BMW into a tight space up against another car. What I really like is I know I can get nice and close using this without any risk of collision. It just makes it so much more easier. What I also like is that the display will turn off after a couple of minutes, so if you're driving down the road it won't continue to distract you. You just press the power button on the side and it pops back into life. Now I'm sure you will agree that this reverse camera, this backup camera, is just awesome. No expensive cost paying a main dealer or an auto electrician to come and start wiring up your entire car to get your reverse camera in. This is just minutes, simple to install yourself, works really well, and it's just good out of the box. Now for all of your information, for you to pick yours up, it's all down in the description, including the latest discount code. And of course, if you've enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with a friend. Not just that, for all of the latest in the automotive space, subscribe to this channel because we've got a lot more products to review. But go and check this out and I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.